Welcome back to the Ragu Guru. Today, we're going to be making bellinis. A bellini is a wonderful cocktail invented by Giuseppe Cipriani in 1948 at Harry's Bar in Venice. Apparently. It's peach season in Colorado. We got some Palisade peaches, some Veuve Clicquot, and some Moet. We got some beautiful flutes and glasses, and we're going to be making bellinis. Okay. Here we go. First things first, get your paring knife to a razor blade, and then you're going to cut the stones out of them, and around the stone is a membrane, and you want to cut that out too. You want all the junk mail out of these things. And then you're going to have your saucepan with a 1/4 inch of water in it, and then pour in the peaches. And while it's cooking down, you're going to want to peel the skins off of them, which is pretty easy. And then, of course, mash them up and get them all nice. It takes about 30 minutes for this entire process. And when it gets down to absolutely perfectly beautiful, pour it into your chinois. Then use your masher to squeeze it through the sieve. And now that you have perfect puree for your bellinis, you're going to reheat it. Get it ready to can, put the top on, and then into the fridge. Alright, first we're going to take our peach stuff here. Going to be opening it up. Perfectly sealed. Absolutely lovely. Of course, other recipes will tell you to use a blender or something to puree it, but that's wrong. You're mixing it with champagne and you want it to be absolutely perfectly pure. Like this. First things first, we're going to pour our Moet Rosé. Oh, look at that. Absolutely perfect. And then our Veuve Clicquot into our beautiful flutes. And then top them off, of course. Give a little stir. And voila. Absolute perfect bellinis. When peaches are ripe, it's time to can and jam. But why not make some bellinis too? Okay, people. Thanks for watching. We'll see you next time.